So this problem says the first 50 even positive integers are written in order on a horizontal line, separated by commas. So we have 2, whoops, sorry about that. Let's make this more visible. 2, comma, 4, comma, 6, comma, 8, comma, 10, and so on, all the way up to 100. Now, we can make this problem just a little bit easier if we say, well, this is the same thing as 1, comma, 2, comma, 3, comma, 4, comma, 5, ... 50. Now, up here, we're asking about the number of integers between 14 and 62. Now down here, well, if we just divided that by 2, the number of integers between 7 and 31. Okay. Well, if you think about it, we're not including these endpoints. So that means the biggest number we're going to count is 1 up to 30. So there are 30 numbers here. But what do we want to take out? We want to take out these numbers here. We don't want to count them. So I got 30 numbers, and I take out 7, and we're left with 23.